I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing in our newest listing at 24 Ross Way in Windsor Locks, Connecticut. This is a detached, standalone, 55 and older ranch-style unit that you are going to love. It has such a wonderful open floor plan. It is so inviting, it's very bright and light. It has nice cabinetry, a center aisle, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. I love the open dining room, living room, and it goes to a really nice screened-in porch with Trex decking that I think is a really unique feature. It has a very large primary suite with a great sized bathroom and tiled flooring and a walk-in closet. It has a second bedroom also that's spacious and a really large mudroom. The mudroom has a nice tile entrance to the two-car garage. And it also has a first floor laundry, which everybody's looking for, plus a second bathroom. In the lower level, it's plumbed for an additional bathroom. It'd be easy enough to finish down there. It's nice and bright and has some big windows, which is wonderful. It's a nice dry basement. And you are located in Windsor Locks. One of the fabulous things is there are very low fees here. It's only $200 a month, which it's unheard of. Most places are double that. Plus, we're in Windsor Locks, so the taxes are fabulous, and you're close to the airport and highways and all the restaurants and stores that you'd want to get to. They also did a new heating system, new air conditioning. This is 20 years young, and you have a 30-year architectural roof on there, plus vinyl sidings, tilt-in windows, everything you could think of that you'd want. This is a fabulous home. If you would like more information about this home, then give me a call at 860-926-5101 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you.